everyone. So now we are going to start the another topic of mathematics, which is multiplication of class 3rd, 4th and 5th. So first of all, we are going to discuss about what multiplication is. If you are talking about multiplication, so multiplication is the repeated addition of a number. If you are adding a number repeatedly, then what it would result in is your multiplication. Like I am having an example in front of you. Like if I am multiplying the 5 with 3, so what it would be 15. As we know that 5 3s are 15. But if you want to take out this according to this definition in which we have written that it is the repeated addition of a number, so we can say that either we can multiply 5 by 3 to get 15, or what you can do is just add the numbers. We have added 5 3 times. Since we have multiplied 5 by 3, so now what we need to do is just add this 5 3 times, so it would be 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so what it would be is equals to 15. As you can see that we have got the same answer. So the multiplication is the repeated addition of a number. Like if you are writing like I know that 12 multiplied by 1 is 12. Okay, if you are multiplying 12 by 3, what it would be is 36. So it can also be written as, if you want to do is 12 plus 12 plus 12. Since we have multiplying 12 by 3, so what we need to do is we will add the same number 3 times. So I have added this 3 times. So what it would be, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So your answer is 36. Okay, so now we can say that if you are actually adding the number, the time given to you, then it would be the same result as that of the multiplication. Okay. So we'll now move to the multiplication facts. We are having few facts which should be known to you. Like first of all, the product of numbers in any order is same. That means if you are multiplying two numbers, either you are multiplying 3 by 4 or you are multiplying 4 by 3, what you will get is the same answer. Okay. In multiplication, the order actually does not matter ki in what order you are actually multiplying that. Like I am having 3 4s are 12. I know that in the table of 3, we know that 3 4s is how much? Is 12. Similarly, in the table of 4, we know that 4 3s are also 12. Now as you can see this, according to the definition, that multiplication is the repeated addition. I have made the blocks of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and I have added that 3 times since it is written over here, which is 3. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. I have written it 1, 2, 3 times and I have added it. So how much it would be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now similarly we are having this. Now what I am doing is I am taking the blocks of 3. 1, 2, 3 and I have added them 4 times. Since what we are doing is now we are multiplying this 3 by 4. So I have taken this 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now you can see by doing both the things what we have got is the same answer. So if you are multiplying the two numbers in any order, what you will get is the same answer. If you are multiplying 1 by 6, your answer would be 6. If you are multiplying 6 by 1, then also your answer would be 6. Okay. So the next fact is, when you are multiplying a number with 0, your answer would be always 0. If you are multiplying a number by 0 or 0 is multiplied with any number, then the answer would be your 0. Example is like I am multiplying 3 by 0, your answer is going to be 0. If you are multiplying 100 by 0, then also your answer is going to be 0. Whatever the number is, how much longer or larger that number is, it doesn't not matter. What matters is if you are multiplying any number with 0, your answer is going to be 0. Okay. So like I am having 1100. If you are multiplying that with 0, again what you will get is 0. If you are multiplying 0 with any number, again your answer is going to be 0. Okay. Now we'll move to the third fact, which is number multiplied by 1 is the same number. That means if you're multiplying any number with 1, then what you will get is the same number which we have taken. Okay. Like I am multiplying 19 by 1. What is going to be your answer is 19. Okay. And similarly, if you are going to multiply that number with 19, 1 is multiplied with the number 19, then again your answer is going to be 19. Either you are multiplying 19 by 1 or 1 by 19, your answer is going to be the same number. So now we'll move to the examples of multiplication. So here we are having one digit numbers. We are going to multiply a one digit number by a one digit number. For that, 2 multiplies are 8 are, just count the table of 2. As we know that 2 8s are 16, 7 3s are 21, similarly 3 6 are 18, 10 6 are 60, 8 8s are 64, 9 2s are 18. If you know the table of the numbers, we do not need to multiply the numbers in this manner. What we will do it, we will write the answers directly. Okay. Now we are going to multiply a 2-digit number and a 3-digit number by a 1-digit numbers. Okay. If you are going to have more than 1-digit number, then we will multiply those numbers in this manner. Okay. Like we are having 12 multiplied by 4. So what we are going to do is, we need to multiply the number which is written below by the number which are written above, one individually. Okay. Now first we will multiply this number with the 1-digit number. After that we will multiply with the 10-digit number, and then we will move to the 100-digit number. Okay. So first multiply it with 2. 4 2s are 8. Okay. We know the table of 4 now. So 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Now just multiply it with the 10th-digit number, which is going to be the next number. So 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. That's it. Okay. Now we'll move to the next one. So now what we are going to do is, we will do the same thing which we have done here. What we need to do is, we need to multiply this number with the above two numbers. First of all, we will multiply this by 3. So 3 3s are 9, and now we'll multiply this by this number. So 3 3s are again 9. So this is your answer. Now what we need to do is, we need to multiply this 19 by 4. Since we know the table of 4, so what we are going to do is just multiply these numbers. First we will multiply this 4 with 9. So 4 9s are 36. Okay. Now as we know, when we are having 2-digit number, what we do is, what we do in addition, we know that among these two numbers, this unit digit number, we used to put it in your answer, and we just put this 3 as the carry of the next number. Okay. So 4 9s are 36. Among this 36, I have kept 6 as the answer and have transferred 3 as the carry on the next number. Now just multiply this with the second number. So 4 1s are 4. 4 plus this carry is 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So this is your answer, which is 76. Now we are having, so now we were done with the multiplication of 2-digit number. This is your 2-digit number, since we are having 2 digits in it, and we are multiplying this 2-digit number with a 1-digit number. Okay. 1 to 2-digit with 1-digit number. Similarly, these are the examples of multiplication of 2-digit number with 1-digit number. Now we are going to multiply a 3-digit number with a 1-digit number. What we are going to do is, we need to follow the same procedure. Like we will multiply this 5 with the above written 3 numbers, which are your 3, 5 and 2. Okay. We will start multiplicating the numbers from the unit places. So first we will multiply this by 3. So 5 3s are 15. Again I have got the 2-digit number. So among these 2-digit number, I am going to write 5 as your answer, and will transfer this 1 as your carry. Okay. Now 5 5s are 25. 25 plus this carry is 26. Now again we are having a 2-digit number, which is your 26. Among this 2 digits, we are going to write this 6 over here, and we will transfer this 2 as your carry. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, now just multiply this 5 with the 3rd digit, which is your 2, which is your hundreds place. So 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is your carry. So 10 plus 2 is 12. So your answer is going to be 12. Since we are not having any digit over here, so we cannot transfer this as your carry. So we will write it wholly and in your answer. So your answer is 1265. Now again we are having a 3-digit number, and we are going to multiply it with a 1-digit number, which is your 9. So just do the same thing. 9 6 are 54. So we are going to transfer 5 as your carry, and will write 4 over here. Now we'll multiply 9 by 8. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 5 is 77. So what we are having is, just write 7 as your carry and just write 7 in your answer. Now just multiply this 9 with the hundreds place number, which is your 4. So 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 7 is going to be your 43. So since we are not having any number over here, so what we are going to do is we won't transfer this 4 as your carry. So we will write the whole 43 number in your answer. So your answer is 4374. Now this is our last example. Okay, what we are going to do is just multiply this 8 with the individual numbers, which are your 3, 4 and 1. Okay, so first of all we will multiply it by 3. 8 3s are 24. Just transfer 2 as your carry and write down the 4 in your answer. Now 8 4s are 32. 32 plus this 2 is your carry, which is going to be your 34. Okay, so now we will write 4 over here and write 3 as the carry of the next number. So now 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 3 is going to be your 11. Since we are not having any number over here, so we will write this whole 11 in your answer. So your answer is 1144. So now we are done with the examples of multiplication of the 2-digit number and the 3-digit number with the 1-digit number and the normal division of 1-digit number. So now we'll move to the another topic. So now we'll move to few more examples. So now we are going to multiply a 2-digit and a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Okay, so now the first number is 12 multiplied by 11. So we are going to multiply this. For that we need to do the same thing we were doing in the multiplication of a 1-digit number. Now just for the first step, just multiply this 1 with the 2. So it would be 1 2s are 2, as I have told you that if you are multiplying a number with 1, so what you will get is the same number. So I am multiplying this 1 with the 2, so your answer would be 2. Now just move to the next number. So it would be 1 1s are again 1, since you are multiplying in the number with 1. So your answer would be the same number. Now in the next step, when you are multiplying with a 2-digit number, what we need to do the additional thing is that since we are done with this number, okay, and we are moving to this one, so what you are going to do is, since this is your tens place digit number, so in the 10 we are having 1 0, so what we are going to do is we will put 1 0 before starting the multiplication of the second digit number. Okay, now just put this 0 over here and start multiplying this 1. So we will multiply 1 with 2 this is going to be your 2. Now multiply this 1 with your 1, so this is going to be your 1. Okay, so this is the answer of your first step, and this is the answer of your second step. When you are multiplying with a 2-digit number, what the additional thing we need to do is just put this 0, since the second digit number belongs to the tens place, and in tens place the place value of that is 10, and in 10 we are having 1 0. So we just put 1 0 over here, and now after doing the multiplication, just add the results of the 2 steps. So this is going to be 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, and this 1 is going to be your 1. So this is the answer, okay, so which is 132. So the next example is 76 multiplied by 45. So what we need to do is just multiply this 5 with the 6. So this is going to be your 30. Okay, now write the 30, the units place in your answer, and just transfer the 3 as your carry. Okay, now just multiply this with the second number, which is your 7. So 5 7s are 35 plus carry, which is going to be your 38. Since we are not having any number over here, so we won't put that in carry. We will write that whole number in your answer. Okay, since we are aware of the multiplication of the 1-digit number, and we are moving, now we are having 2-digit number, so we will move to the next number. For this 4 belongs to the tens place, and in tens place we are the place value of the tens place is 10. For that we are having 1 0. So what we will do is we will put 0 before initiating the second step. Okay, so now just start multiplying the second digit number, which is your 4. Now just multiply in the ordinary manner which we were doing earlier. 4 6 are 24. Okay, so now just write 4 in your answer and just put 2 as your carry. Okay, 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 2, which was your carry, 28 plus 2 is 30. So just write down 30 in your answer. Now since we are done with the multiplication of both the 2-digit numbers, what we need to do is just add the numbers. So it would be 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 4 is your 12, put 1 as your carry, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 0 is going to be your 4. Now what it is 3. So this is your answer, which is 3420. Just keep this thing in your mind. The additional thing which we do in the 2-digit number is when we are having an extra number or the another number, what we do is according to their place value we used to put the zeros as we are moving to the next numbers. Okay, like we are having a 2-digit number and we are going to multiply this with a 2-digit number. So first of all, when you are multiplying with the first number, just do it in the usual manner. 5 4s are 20, just put 2 as your carry and write 0 here. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 2 is going to be your 18. So write 8 in your answer and 1 as your carry. 4 2s are 8 and 8 plus 1 is going to be your 9. Okay, we are done with the first number, first digit. So now when you are moving to the second number, just put a 0 before starting the second step. Okay, I have put 0 over here. Now start multiplying the second digit. So 1 5s are 5. If you are multiplying any number with 1, what we are going to get is the same number. Okay, so we are multiplying this 1 by 5, so your answer is going to be 5. Similarly, if you are multiplying 1 with 4, so your answer is going to be 4. 1 2s are 2. So this is it. Now just add the numbers. So it is going to be 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 5 is your 13. 9 plus 1 is your 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Write 4 over here and 1 as your carry. So 2 plus 1 is going to be your 3. So this is your answer, which is 3430. Now the fourth example is 290 multiplied by 25. Okay, first of all just revise the multiplication fact that I have told you about the 0. That if you are multiplying any number with 0, what is your answer is going to be is 0. Okay, so if you are multiplying 5 with 0, what we are going to get is 0. So write down 0. Now what we will do is 5 9s are 45. So write 4 over here and 5 is your answer. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4, which was your carry, is going to be a 14. So it is 14. Now before moving to the second digit number, just put a 0. Okay, so now I have kept a 0 over here. So now we'll start multiplying the numbers. Again, since you are multiplying 2 with 0, so what you are going to get is 0. So write down 0. 2 9s are 18. Just write 1 as your carry and 8 in your answer. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, which was your carry. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Now this is it. We have multiplied the 2 digits with the above numbers. So now just add the result of the multiplication of 2 digits. So this is going to be 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 4 is 12. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So this is your answer, which is 7250. So now we are going to multiply a few large numbers. Like I am having this question in front of you. Here we are going to multiply a 4-digit number with a 3-digit number. So let's just start it. Now first of all we will start multiplying with a unit digit number. So just multiply this with a 6. 4 6 are 24. Just put 2 over here and 4 in your answer. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2 is your carry, which is going to be your 18. So just write it down. Write 8 over here and 1 as your carry. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 1 is 37. So this is going to be this. 4 2s are 8 and 8 plus 3 is your 11. So write it down. Okay. Now as you are done with the first number, and when we are moving to the second number, first what we do is just put a 0. Okay, and then start multiplying the numbers. Now I will multiply this 5 with the 6, so it is going to be your 30. So among this 30, I am going to write this 0 here and the 3 in the carry. Okay, so 5 6 are 30. So write 3 as a carry on the next number which we need to multiply. Okay, since I have multiplied this and I am now going to multiply this, so we'll put carry on this number. So 5 4s are 20 and 20 plus 3 is 23. So just write 2 as your carry and 3 over here. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 2 is 47. So this is going to be 4 and 7. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So this is 14. Okay. Now since we were done up to the 2-digit number, and now we are going to multiply the third number also. For that, since this belongs to your hundreds place value and its place value is 100. In 100 we are having two zeros. For that, what we are going to do is just put 20. This is the additional thing what we need to do. Okay, just put the 2 zeros before starting the multiplication of the third number. Okay, so now since I have kept the 2 zeros, now start multiplying this number. So this is going to be 3 6r. We always multiply with the first number only. Okay, so this is going to be 3 6 are 18. Just put 1 over here and 8 in your answer. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Just put 1 over here and 3 in your answer. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. So just put 2 over here and 8 in your answer. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So just write 8. Now that this is it, what we need to do. Now since we are done with the multiplication of all the 3 digits, what we now need to do is just add the result of the 3 steps. So just add these numbers. 4 plus 0 is going to be your 4. 8 plus 0 is going to be your 8. 7 plus 3 is going to be your 10. 10 plus 8 is going to be your 18. So write 8 over here and 1 is your carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 7 is your 9 and 9 plus 3 is your 12. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 8 is your 14. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is your 10. So write the whole number in your answer. So this is your answer. Okay, this is your ones place, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So your answer is 10 lakh 42,000 and 884. Okay, so now we'll move to the next number, which is your 5-digit number, and we are going to multiply that with a 3-digit number. So first of all, we are having 0. We need to multiply all the 5 digits with 0, and as we know that if you are multiplying any number with 0, what we are going to get is 0. Okay, so 0 ones are 0, 0 ones are 0 4s are again 0, 0 5s are again 0, 0 zeros are 0 and 0 2s are again 0. Whatever the number is, it does not matter. What you need to keep in your mind is if you are multiplying any digit or any number with 0, your answer is going to be 0. Okay, so now we are done with the first digit and now we are moving to the second number. For that, what we need to do is just put a 0. Okay, so now start multiplying. So this is going to be 5 ones are 5, 5 4s are 20. Just put 2 over here and 0 here. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2, which was your carry, is going to be 27. So just put 2 and 7 here. 5 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2, since we are having carry also, so just add that. 5 zeros are 0 plus 2 is going to be your 2. 5 2s are 10. So just write 10 over here. Okay, so now we are done with the 2 digit. Now we are having a 3 digit. For that, what we are going to do is, as I have told you in that question, that if you are multiplying the third digit, for that we will put the 2 zeros first. After that, we will start multiplying the third number. So now I am having 3 digit, third digit, which is your 3. So start multiplying. 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12. So 1 is going to be in your carry. Now 3 4s are 12. This was your carry. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1, which was your carry, so it is going to be a 16. 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 2s are 6. This is it. Okay, so now we are done with the multiplication. So start adding these numbers. So this is going to be, these all are 0. So this is 0. 0 plus 5 is your 5. 0 plus 3 is your 3. 0 plus 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 0 is your 8. If you are adding 0 in any number, your answer is going to be the same number. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 6 is your 7. So your answer is 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So it is going to be 71 lakh 89,350. So this is your answer. Okay, since we are reading this for the higher classes like 4th and 5th, so you should be aware of the place values of the numbers as well. Okay, so just whenever you are done with the answer, just read the number. Okay, just try to read that according to their place values. So now I am going to multiply a 5-digit number with a 4-digit number. We will follow the same thing. Okay, Now I'll told you the additional thing which we are going to read about later. So first of all, just do the same thing which we are doing earlier. 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36, 3 is your carry, and write 6 here. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. 4 zeros are 0, plus 1 is going to be a 1. 4 5s are 20. So this is it. We are done with the first digit. Okay. Now we'll move to the second digit, which is your 9. First, before starting that, just put a 0. Okay. Now start multiplying. 9 2s are 18. 8 and 1 in your carry. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 1 is 82. So 8 is your carry and 2 will be in your answer. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 8 is going to be your 35. So write 3 over here and 5 as your, 3 in your carry and 5 in your answer. 9 zeros are 0, plus 3 is going to be your 3. 9 5s are 45. So write 45. Okay. So now we are done with the second digit also. We'll move to the third digit. Before moving to the third digit, what we will do is we will put 2 zeros. Okay. So now multiply. 3 2s are 6. 3 9s are 27. So just put 2 over here and 7 in your answer. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 is going to be 11. So 1 will be in your carry. 3 zeros are 0, plus 1 is your 1. 3 5s are 15. So what we are going to do is just write 15. Okay. Now the additional thing which I was talking about is when you are moving to the fourth digit, since this is your 1000 digit number, the place value of this number is 1000, and in 1000 how many zeros are we having? 3. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to put 3 zeros before starting the multiplication of the 4 digit. Okay. So now just start multiplying these numbers. We are having 1 over here, and if you are multiplying any number with 1, what we will get is the same number. Okay. So 1 2s are 2, 1 9s are 9, 1 3s are 3, 1 zeros are 0, 1 5s are 5. This is it. Now since we are done with this, now just multiplying the, just add the numbers we are having. Okay. So this is going to be your 8. This is going to be your 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 and plus 1 is 16. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 3 is your 12. 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now just check the place values of each number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. So how we are going to spell it is 7 crores, 2 lakh, 448. Okay. So this is your number. So now we are having the last example with us, which is a 5-digit number, and we are going to multiply it with a 3-digit number. So just start multiplying this. 8 2s are 16. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 1 is 73. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 7 is going to be your 31. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 3 is your 59. 8 1s are 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 5 is your 13. Okay. Now we'll move to the second number. Before moving to the second number, what we will do is we'll put 1 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 7s are 14. So write 4 over here and 1 in your carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. Now we are done with the second number as well. Now we will move to the third number. Before moving to the third number, what we are going to do is just put 2 zeros. Since the place value of the third number is 100, and in 100 we are having 2 zeros. For that we will put 2 zeros. Now start multiplying. 6 2s are 12. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 1 is your 55. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5 is your 23. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 2 is going to be your 44. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 4 is your 10. This is it. Okay, now add these numbers. So this is going to be your 6, this is going to be your 7, this is going to be your 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 is your 11, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 7 is your 17, 17 plus 5 is your 22, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is your 12, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Here we are having 0 and 1. Okay, now just see their place values, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, so it should be 1 crore, 9 lakh, 22,176. So now as we are done with the multiplication of the 3-digit number, 2-digit number with 1-digit number, 2-digit numbers, and the multiplication of the large numbers as well. So just take your books and just go through the examples of the books and just try to solve as many as question you are capable of.